To adjust date and time settings on POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down, and then we'll need to find additional settings. Click on date and time on the top, and then we can see all of the settings for it. First thing is 24 hours format. You can change the clock format between 12 hours when this option is disabled, or 24 hours when it's toggled on. Then we have a date and time that we can disable automatic settings for, and then adjust both date and time manually. I wouldn't recommend it to do it since it may break some network synchronization and some websites and apps won't work. So put it on automatic if you want. Then there's set time zone automatically, and it's the same story. If you disable it, you can choose time zone manually, but it may cause some network synchronization issues, so I would rather put it on automatic. Lastly, there's notifications. You can enable or disable time zone change notifications and turn on and off dual clock, and choose that clock right here. That way you'll be able to see both two clocks on the clock screen, and it will show you the time from your original time zone that you've selected on the top, and the second clock from here as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.